Alrighty then, and we are back. Mic check, mic check. Let me know how that mic is coming through, and type in the chat where you're from, and let me know if we need to turn the mic up or down, and the sound as well. Let's make sure we've got some high quality audio coming in there for you. Sorry, I am a few minutes late here this afternoon. We've got a grinding trend day, as we mentioned earlier this morning from the first session of the day, and we are continuing with that notion. We do have to be careful. I want to look at the high time frame here in just a moment. Let's get things rolling right now. Welcome aboard, everyone.
What exactly is AlgoBox, and why do our traders absolutely love it?
Michael Othrow. Are you ready? Don't forget, trading is risky and all of that business. But if trading is for you, this is likely also maybe a cool place for you. Let's get right into the 5 trades. Speaking of 5 trades, let me load up my coins down here on the bottom left on my desk. Desk counter. Oh, knocked my full page around. You guys can actually print out one of these, or you can buy one from our special print shop with the cool glossy finish and the extra gold flashiness. Or if you want to go old school like me and just print one out, my original OG, those are there for you to print out yourself in the Vinny Tips and Tricks section. Or if you are finishing out your first 40 days, you'll see that there at the bottom, right underneath the section where we have the whoa, sorry, I see a gigantic Deltasaurus Rex Delta Flagging Pro on the 35s. Somebody give me a read, make sure I'm on the right chart. What is the current, for this week, the optimized range for RTY? Somebody type me in the chat. Right now I have it set to 35, but do y'all see this monster right here? Let's draw this one in. So this one, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to use the region highlight X, which will be in blue, and we're going to come right here and mark up this leg. This whole section was bought all the way through. So we came back in. We've got a Richie trap. You see the Richie? If you see the Richie, type Richie. If you don't see the Richie, type it too. Let's see how many people have been following along and gone through our training materials. So this starts right here. Draw another one up top. X is the region highlight X. Don't use this one too often. But when it's this big, we do want to do that right there. Yeah, so we are ready to go here on the blue highlight. So we're gonna watch this section. This could be one of those weird pivot turns. All right, lost the mic. How about now? Can y'all hear me now? Okay, hold on a second. I just lost all of my USB connections. Just got that back. Mouse and keyboard are not functioning. One second. I gotta unplug and replug here. One moment. Okay, but basically, watch this spot right here. If they're going to use this as a fake out instead of the continuation down, if this is the spot we roll up, this would be a play. We're going to draw a line. If I can get my, I'm going to have to replug my mouse. I think literally my mouse and keyboard just locked. So my I bumped my desk here. My wonderful wifey just brought me my coffee that I left in the microwave downstairs, and then I turned around and I lost my way. While I'm losing and reasserting my way here, you guys do me a favor and smash that like button, because clearly I'm going to need it. All right, smash that like button. I'm going to unplug and replug here. One sec. Okay, well, that was weird. Okay, so now, other things we need to concern ourselves with. We are now 5 minutes from the top of the hour, where things, you know, we could get a move there. We're in the final 5 minutes before that hour bar is going to complete, and the final hour is what tends to bring in some of that volatility. Had a great opportunity at the end of the day yesterday. Let's look at where we're sitting on the high time frame as well. Again, would be another spot where we could, you know, kind of curve up, tap into that golden rope, and we may just sit here. We may not go anywhere. We may just be resting here. They have, remember how I said this morning it was a trend day? This morning, how did we know? Type it in the chat. How did I give you guys what was the tipping of the hand to know that it was going to be a trend day? And did we not predict that perfectly? Was that pretty awesome or what? And that was our system doing that. It wasn't me. System, what was it? Yes, AO clustering. Eddie got it. Oh, speaking of, hold on. I don't have you guys popping up in the chat here. Let's get that set up for you guys. Yes, Eddie comes in. Steady Eddie knows what's up. That AO party. That's right. AOs, that's right. AOs on the lower time frame. The key is AO clusterings on the lower time frames, where it's like, that's really weird. There's way too many, and this is just a feeling thing. If you have seen how many alpha omegas will normally show up on a lower time frame, they're not very frequent, right? But all of a sudden you got like tons. You're like, there's some there and 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 there. That has cued us in that they will load the boat that day, and they will grind it in a direction and cause you to think, oh, okay, now's the time when this is going to happen, that's going to happen, and it doesn't. Other things I want to brag about here. It's time for me to brag a moment. Up here, top left. What was this zone? Tell me, what was I drawing this weirdly colored section up for earlier today. What did I say about it? Why were they going to bring it back there? The cave, yes. They brought it back to the man cave. Boom, 11.7, bring it right back in there. And then look, remember how I said they were fill it up? Look at all that filling, right? Look at all that filling. They filled it up, ran it up to the prior pivot right above it, fill you up. There's Folgers in your cup, and then they're like, okay, we're done now, thanks. Right back out of there. Didn't I tell you that was going to happen? That's some pretty good knowledge right there. Speaking of knowledge, if you want to get into our crew, now is the best time to do it. We've got that back to school offer. It is literally $24.99 for everything. We've never done that ever in the history of time. It's only $10K, and on occasion we'll do 50% off of the $10K price, which is $5K. But we have brought it down from $5K all the way to 50 off the $5K price point, which is going to put you at $24.99. And there's a monthly payment program. And if you do it by Friday, the knowledge bombs will be dropped by yours truly. 3 mentorship sessions with me during your 120-day program. Pretty cool. I just noticed my pedal is also not working. I need to unplug and replug my pedal. We only got an hour left in the stream. We got 45 seconds to the final hour. So I'm just going to manually click over on the OBS for right now. But yeah, even my foot pedal stopped working there. Something fritzed my USB connections for some reason. Yes, we went right back up into the cave. That's right, the Cave of Wonder. Yep. Good job. You guys were paying attention. All right, we got 3 minutes to get to 50 likes. Don't forget, I'll do the first 15 minutes for free. If we get 50, I'll be there the whole session. So, got to get to 50 likes. If we get to 50 likes, I'll be here for the whole session. If not, first 15 minutes, we'll be here. Hopefully you guys got something from it. I know it's a little bit of a slow day. I don't know that many people are hanging out. We had such a good morning. That was, I want to say good morning because it was tricky. Had a tricky morning there. But I think it was a lot of good lessons to learn from the morning. It was also cadence, particularly around how we've had a lot of easy days. I think we've had like 4 easy days in a row, so we were due for one of these. But what did I say this morning? What tipped our hand that today was going to be one of those grinders, right? It was the AO clustering. I know I'm driving this home again, but I'm repeating these things because I want you guys to remember. Repetition is key for anything that you want to be successful in life. Doing it repetitively and doing it well. So I'm going to keep driving that lesson home for you so that you can remember. Now, I do think here at the end of the day, here we go. We are at 3 o'clock. We are almost 15 seconds from 1 minute past. And let's watch this right here. See if they're going to defend this, or was this them filling it up, this whole little section, and then dropping it. I'm going to actually also do a horizontal line drawing on this because this is... it's going to be key. I'm going to make it nice and bright. Huge, huge section. Whether it's today or tomorrow, I'm going to actually leave that on the charts for tomorrow as well. So make sure you guys come back on Thursday in the morning. And of course, we have the afternoon session as well. Make sure you hit that subscribe button along with hitting that like button. We need 12 more likes. And we've got 1 minute left, or I will have to catch you guys tomorrow, which I got a lot to do today. So it's okay for me. I do think we're going to get the opportunity for a run here, but if we want more fun, I'm going to need those 50 likes. We just came back up to the P point. And remember this morning we also talked about if we do some weird grind, we could grind and do some insane move. Since everybody's been short all day, they finally figured out like, oh, okay, end of day, I'll try to take some shorts now. And now maybe there's no shorts left. Look here. See this? Double deltas. Big red was the last one. So we move up. We could move up and up and up until we see a green on the other side. So if that goes and goes and goes and goes and goes, we got prior close, we got prior high. We got R1, R2. Somebody called it this morning all the way up to R2, I believe, was above the pivot. There's the morning, so it would have to go above this red line, which would be, is that R2? Yes. So above R2 is the call if this grinds and does one of those crazy up moves at the end of the day to catch everybody off guard. Everybody who is short, now they've got a cover. So if this is the cover right now, they could run this up and up and up until we see another alpha omega here. So that's my current big picture plan. We need 3 more likes, folks. 3 likes if you want to have me hang out for the rest of the hour here. Got a good plan laid out here. Will we be here to execute? Or am I going to the grocery store and buying more stuff for the birthday parties? Because that's what's on the docket today. We're going to get some more birthday stuff. We're going to get some pollo regio, some of my favorite Mexican food. This evening's going to be yummy. We have a double cross double move play coming up above us as well, so more to feed my thoughts on potentially running up here because of the massive deltas that are showing up. Come up here to the top left. Again, they're all over this right now, so if they defend it, they brought it up, they filled the gap, they brought it down, fake everybody out. That is a massive trap. Can you see the trap right here? You got them making everybody look at the price coming down hard. It's like, it's like, oh, we're down. Nope. And then we're like, oh no, it's okay, we're going down. So everybody's like, oh, okay, now I'm gonna get in. I'm getting in right here now. Cool. We're going down. Oh yeah, definitely getting in now. Oh yeah, here we go. And how many people are getting short right there? Right? They're like, oh yeah, I'm going short. Wrecked. Trapped traders. And then they came in again. That makes it even worse for them. Oh no. It's not gonna let me copy paste that. It's gonna make me type it again. Come on. And that pivot right there, they're like, oh, phew, okay, it'll be okay. Think about if you were the trader getting in short right here. You're like, oh, and maybe you held it. You're like, oh, okay, maybe, no, okay, right here I can add to my position. Okay, it's going to go down. It's going to go down. It's going to go, oh, no, you're panicked. You're like, ah, but then you get this relief leg. You're like, oh, phew, oh, that feels better. Ah, yeah, okay, here we go. Now it's going to go. Oh, yeah, we're good. And then all of a sudden it stops right here. You can't get out because you're like, well, my average position maybe is like here. You're like, oh, okay, it's gonna be cool. No, here we go. It's like 1 tick from my entry. It's fine. I'll just close it out as it goes a little bit in my way. I'll close it out with a little bit, half of my position, and then I'll be fine, right? And then they're like, wrecked. Okay, well now is account blowout time. Okay, account blown. Okay, that's what's about to happen to these people. So another thing I was going to show here is now for us that doesn't care, now we're going to come over here and press F8, click on this cross, move it to the center of these 2 crosses, double cross, double move, tells me we move all the way to this gold line up above. Everybody makes sense? That's also in the middle of the cave. I'm so confident in that, I'm going to go ahead and take a play on it right now. Where is my line? You can see my gold line. Okay, it's right there. And then just in case we get a runner, I'll put her on there and I'll put stops behind the double crosses here for my end of day play here. Rocking against all those trapped traders, in my opinion. I'm going to make it 5 just for fun. Hey, what's up, Central? The man with the plan. And the awesome shoes. Thanks again for those awesome shoes, bro. I wore them to court one day. It's pretty awesome. They were looking slick, bruh. Got me some Italian leathers. Closed out 8K for the day. All ears and eyes at YouTube, bro. Nice. Nice. Oh, by the way, has everybody noticed there is less of a delay? So I found some crazy ultra low latency option in the stream on YouTube. Oh shoot, now it's saying something. It says you need to change the video resolution. The current resolution is not supported for this configuration. The expected resolution is 2560 by 40. Oh, it's not going to let me? They don't support ultra low latency in 4K, only 2K resolution. Oh, boo. Okay, never mind. I was like, oh, it should be less of delay. No. They're like, you're not allowed to do that. We can't support that. Well, crap. Just heard the first set of sellers. Is this going to make another rundown? If it's going to make another rundown, it's going to be a bummer. I have to go for the 2-try rule scenario. That is a little deep on the stop. I'm going to put it back behind the first red cross because I didn't get in on the middle. I really want to be in at the middle. So when it comes to the middle of these crosses, if it comes to the middle of the crosses, I will add to this position and I'll stop out right below the first one and then re-enter as we come back through this red line right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw myself a white line, F6 here, so I make it nice and bright. So as the price comes back through it, I can do a re-entry. Don't forget, there's more risk off of the 4s. Normally, I'm not taking a trade off of the 4s in general. I usually want something correlated on the lower time frame, but since the grind is here, I am planning on that. At the same time, we may make one more of those crazy fake legs down. Oh, we're gonna go and then not go type of scenarios. And then the run up, because this does feel a little bit too easy to make that run, you know what I mean?
Fib.RTY on the 8.
Fib dot on the 8s. Ooh, okay, 17.6 came in there, so that might help them fill out. Okay, I'm gonna look for a four-legged dog trap, 1, 2, 3. Looks for the 4th leg, and then I will add in. There's leg 4.
Upper bands touch RT.
Oh, sorry, I'm down here on the 1s, by the way. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about here. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, now chukka chukka. 4, now pop up and give me a head. My favorite kind of trap. If it's going to be a trap. I mean, it's not proven yet. You know what I'm looking for. Go. Now make me a little head. Come down. And I'll enter in on the up bar. Okay, there's the little head. Make a bigger head than that, bro. Give me a 2-bar head. Come on, give me a 2-bar head. Come on. 2-bar me, bro. 2-bar me. Thank you. Come on, finish that bar. Finish the bar. That's a 1 bar. Give me a 2 bar head. Thank you. Okay, now. Whew. All right, let's go. Let's go. Nice little doggy head. You see him? See little head? 1, 2, 3, 4. See little head? See little head? All right, now pop up for me, bruh. Oh no! She tricked me. How rude. Oof. How rude. I'll close out on a nut move. Do as I say, not as I do. Here comes king timing. Into the large. Take him down one more time. King timing.
Upper bands touch RTY on the 35. One, two, three, 4. Enigma short on the RT.
Oh, shibbits. Please start to stair stepper up. Give me a step. Yeah, we definitely went to sell there. And there's the target. So up top on the 4s, come top left. So there's that kind of what would be a J-hook green level entry here, and I'm hoping they're just faking this down and then running it up. That's what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping that this is a massive trap here and that they defend all of this buying through these 2 legs and these traps hold. I guess I should get this actually below the traps, shouldn't I? What's our time? 3:17. Thanks, Richard. My pleasure. All right, I'm gonna add in, starting to hear buyers. Hopefully that is the trap. I'll be manually closing this out. I'm not planning on having, that's just the emergency stop. Emergency stop pull. They could tap that and fill it. It'd have to be one of those immediate snap downs. I think this is less likely on RTY. That you have to worry about those. If it was in queue, oh, that's another story. No, wrong button. Wrong button. F3 versus F2. F3 is array. Little ray of sunshine there. $3.20. Feels like it's later than that, but it's not. Yay! There we go. There's my first alpha omega after the big move up. Am I at a full position now? Yes. All right. Full position, 16 contracts. There we go. Let's be the one. Be the one, bro. Be the one. Oh, sorry. What am I talking about? You guys want to see what we're talking about here? That's the 11.3. So after big move up, I like to enter in on the first alpha omega after a big move up or down, you know, but basically this happens quite a lot. Up, 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 boom, there's first green. That's actually just a play all by itself and kind of gives me a stop point too. I can close out here. We can always come back and re-enter. So I may just close this out if we break below this cross here. If we break below the cross, I'll look for one little move up. As it moves up, I'll close out on that. In theory, I'm just talking ahead of time, kind of my personal mental play, laying out my head, in my head, kind of my plan, and hopefully I execute well on that. It's a lot easier to execute well if you've talked it out, you know what I'm saying? Got your plan, talked about it, you know what you're going to do, then you can follow through. Only 3:23. Still 7 minutes till BTFD even. Yeah, MACVU just moved to neutral, which means other instruments are also moving up. Everybody knows that, right? So we just got, they moved the brick. Oops, we're on this, you guys can't see it. Let me come down here to the lower one for you guys. Okay, here's the brick. So the brick, we were sitting over here in red, but we never got to full sell. You notice that? We never got to strong sell. We've been green, 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 green to this section. Strong buy, then we went, oh, they're trying to fake down, trap, up, trap, trap, up. So hopefully we grind up. The speed, I like that we are going slower up and we're going fast down. Everybody understand that? It's the opposite of what you normally think. Like in this game, if you can figure out what's normal in life and do the opposite, you win. It's weird like that, but it is. Trap everybody you want. They want people to believe they're right. So how do you make people believe they're right? You use everything that they know against them. Fast means slow, slow means fast, up means down, down means up. Write it down.
DCDMRTY on the 1.
Awesome, Josiah. You're getting paid, brother. Excellent. You know, when they ask you for a video, it means you're too good. You know that, right? Do you know that? When they ask you for a video, that means you did too good. And then you had to tell them it was the Enigma, and they're like, what's the Enigma? Yeah, we get that a lot. Yeah, by the way, people always ask all the time, like, oh, you can't use full auto on Apex. Well, it's true and it's not true. Like, if you go ask them and go listen to the videos, they're trying to weed out the people who are using trade copy services where someone else is trading for you and there's some automated entry for you where you're not pressing the button and someone else is trading it for you, and or trading these continuous CDAs and or DCA, sorry, not CDAs. Dollar cost averaging continuously until the blowout, and like basically, you know, just transferring accounts. They're, you know, people that will buy, and it's probably usually groups buying like 100 accounts at a time, and then, you know, just basically churn and burn them, not really trading them type of thing. So yeah, that's generally what they were. That was my discussions that I was chatting with Daryl and his team. Daryl, Vince, and I apologize, I can't remember the other gentleman's name. That was on a live stream with me, and yeah, we chatted it up. Apex is awesome. Use code AlgoBox if you want to make sure you always get the lowest rates. If you're like, well, are they doing the 80% off thing? Are they doing the 50% off thing? It doesn't matter. They will always give us the best. That was our kind of deal that we worked with them. They will always, if you're using code AlgoBox, you will always get the best offer. So if it's 80%, 50%, whatever the absolute lowest is at that time, you will get it. All right, there's a sliver. What does that mean? We got our first little sliver of yellow. That means that is the 2-minute warning. or the bottom of the hour. For us, it is BTFD or STFU, depending on the direction. Hard read right now because we are dead set in the middle on the highest time frame. Right now, we are sitting inside of the golden ropes here, and could continue down. Could go up. We're assuming right now that they were defending position here, that they're trying to exit positions, that there's a short squeeze. This is my current thought process, but I can be proven otherwise any moment now, any minute. Yeah, don't forget, if you are going to record your sessions, definitely will go over my video where I show you guys how to use Process Lasso, where you can designate all of your performance cores to NinjaTrader and put your recorder, whether it's OBS or Camtasia or whatever you want to use, on separate cores, would be my suggestion. And yeah, we got a video on that. Okay, here we go. 10 seconds till the bottom of the hour. Let's see if the final half hour brings a little move here. It feels like it's going down, so it'll probably end up. However, this is one of those trend days that I'm not good at. I will just straight up tell you guys, as I've told you before, the trend type of grinders, not my best types of days. So take my specific advice. It's not advice. Take my specific ponderances with that in mind. Don't like that we're grinding down now. I liked it better when they were snapping down, like, everybody look down, everybody look short. And then it's kind of grinding up. Look down at it, and then grinding up. That is better from a historical, just experience standpoint. We are currently flat as flat can be on the MACV histogram. There we are, flat, 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 flat. So take a note. Enigmas are going to be more dangerous, likely more heat, potential failures. NQ's also flat. All right, well, we are neutral as well on the MACVU. $3:32. A lot of time on the clock still. Also, we are at the P point, like literally dead center of the day here. P point right there. So it could go either way. Those of you who are just joining us, so I am currently playing in a, assuming this is a big down move trap. I believe this is a trap, trap, trap. Last leg of hope. Clustering in, still making people think, okay, maybe we'll keep going down, whatnot, and then that they will obliterate them. This is a double cross, double move, playing against those traps. So that's what I'm currently playing. Anybody's wondering, like, what am I playing? Playing against the traps and a double cross, double move. That is the simple answer for what we've got here. Also, we had big move up and an 11.3 Alpha Omega on the bottom side. Yikes, just got an Enigma short there. I'm hoping this is one of those that, because it's an Enigma short and this is flat, I'm hoping that it gets the heat, you know what I'm saying? So just got an Enigma down on the ones that I hope takes a bunch of heat and ends up, I hate rooting against my system there, but what I don't like is, dude, that is a 23.8. So it is going to be a big one, whatever it is. Look at it. Level 20, normally that is the money, but we are flat. So I am hoping it is the opposite. This is one that is going to play likely the opposite. As we hit this king timing, I may add to my position even further and see if we get that push. If I hear AlgoBox kick in right after this king timing line, I will add to my position, playing against the 23.8 Enigma because we are flat as well. And remember, this is the first Alpha Omega green after a big up move. That is one of my favorite kind of entries. So I got a lot of confluence reasons to go with it. Things going against me. Yes, I see double Enigma and it's a 23.8. I literally hate trading against that. Oh, now it's a... Here you go. Listen for the audio. I'm listening. Please give me buyers. Don't give me sellers. I want to hear buyers. Okay, I heard one click of buyer. It's not enough. I need to hear more than that. Come on, baby. Hey, thanks for that, Gisu. Waiting for your usual, Vinny, but especially for having patience and steel. Yeah.
DCDMRTY.
I'm hoping it's experience talking. Like, I'm literally hoping, like, just seeing it myself. I'm like, okay, yeah, feels like it's going down. Feels like it, and then next thing you know, like, boom, we're exploding out of nowhere. We just start the run, get everybody off sides, and starts a run. So that's hoping for. I've not heard. And generally, I'll hear, okay, come right, king timing. I hear the AlgoBox start to queue. And then we bid thee adieu. Here we go. Lots of supply there. Just listening for audio. We're king timing up top on the high. Look, there's a king timing line. I want to hear audio. There we go. I'm adding in. I heard the audio. I want to hear more. Why is it only just one clack? Come on, there we go. That's what I want to hear. That's what I want to hear, dear. There you go. Boo. I like the sound of that. All right, I'm gonna go full 20. I've been having some really good days. If I take a loss, I'll take it like a boss. Key point still right up above us. Depends on the chart, Mr. Simmons. So if you open up a default workspace with the 5 charts, you'll notice, look inside each of them. The fib dot strength is different for each size. So, you know, you can't just say, bad question. Depends on instrument. It depends on chart. Depends on bar size, tide wave, ripple, etc. But yeah, if you want to know what they're set to, just open up your default workspace and look at each chart so you can apply it to whatever chart you want accordingly. Cool, cool. If you have issues with it or whatever, put it in the ask question section and one of our awesome mods or tech support will get you answered there. Depending on, you know, they'll ask for some more details like what chart, all kind of whatnot. Baskin Robbins is giving out free ice cream with promo code MELT in their app today. Gonna go out to the fam. Oh, bro, thanks for that. Hey, we're gonna be going out. Baskin Robbins, free ice cream with promo code MELT in their app. Yeah, bro. Thanks for the heads up. I'm gonna do that too. We're gonna go get some Pollo Regio. My favorite Mexicans. So tasty. Their sauce is what makes it. I mean, they got this green sauce that is, oh my, oh my. Oh my, so good. And then to cool it off, because it is spicy, cool it off with some Baskin Robbins. Let's go, baby. Let's go. And free too? Pff, free 99. That's my favorite price. You know what I'm saying? Who doesn't love some free 99? All right, let's get this thing going. Let's go. 342. Yeah, Vinny Micro. He's been they were asking for ice cream last night. We were out in the pool last night. And they're like, can I have ice cream? How about tomorrow? Well, now Daddy gets to follow through. Like, and it's on me for free. Let's go. Speaking of free, there's a free trial. 2-week free trial. Download now. AlgoBoxPro.com. Don't call your mom. But why don't you do something about your life and move out of her basement? Unless you're an ICT student, then please make sure and deliver my burgers hot and on time or no tip. You are welcome. Mm-mm-mm, 343. 10 seconds till 44s. What do we got? 7 minutes till the 350 algo. Oi, oi, oi. What's up? All right, you know what'll help this thing go up? Everybody smash the like button at the same time. Do it. Even if you've already smashed the like button, smash it again, make it unlike, and then smash it again. So if you've already hit like, hit it 2 more times. That's going to make the market go up. Trust me. Just trust me, bro. Trust me. I learned this trick from ICT, okay? Just hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, and it's going to make the market go up. Just trust me, bro. It's how the algorithm is written. I wrote the algorithm. Trust me. Just trust me, guys. Of course I was there. I was there at the origination of the markets. I created the code. I know the code. Just trust me, bro. God struck me with a lightning bolt in my asshole, and I have been puckered up ever since. I know everything about the markets. Just trust me, bro. You need to smash that like button right now. Wait a minute. Oh, shoot. You know what counteracts me? Oh, no. No. What? No. What? No. Don't let Curtis sing. Please. No. No, Vinny. Vinny, don't let Curtis sing. Oh! No! Oh. Yeah. Makes the market go up every time. Oh, yeah. Smooth. Like melted Baskin Robbins on your hot cone. Get that waffle cone. Put it on my scone.
You got this, baby. I know it's been crazy. You don't see me, it's exhausting. City to city, cause I'm shiny, boys is popping. You keep making plans, babe, I'm sorry, I keep flopping. Call me late at night, cause I love it when you talk. No matter where I go with you, not here, it's just not home. I know I can't let go without you near.
Be alone and oh yeah, baby, give me some. Please don't take me seriously.
Now I'm seeing how you play. AlgoBox, you turn it all around. Tell me that you need me, then you go and show me how. Wait, you tell me that it's easy, didn't think I'd see the game you play. It's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late. I said it's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late.
Yeah, I think what Josiah said, the NQ just went up and hit its double cross double move target, which wouldn't that be nice if we were riding that right now, but doing the RTY to slow things down a little bit so we have more time to talk about things, a little more training for you guys, and you know, I'm kind of starting to like it. It's kind of weird. I don't like taking just one trade in the afternoon, but so in the afternoons I may be switching to NQ, and in the mornings RTY, but we'll sort that out. I'm trying to give you guys the best experience and my ability to walk through things with the proper timings. Okay, there's the sliver. First yellow sliver coming in. 2-minute warning before the 350 algo. I cannot sit on this trade this big on a 350 algo, so I am going to be halving up here any moment if it doesn't take a run here before I got about 30 seconds to make that decision here. I am not sitting through a 350 algo wanker. Not happening.
I'm holding on your trades, got me 10 feet off the ground. AlgoBox makes trading like a game. Join us now and see what can.
Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute warning. Please lift off, baby. Please lift it and shift it. Let's go. Lift it and shift it. Lift it and shift it. Lift it and shift it. Alright, I'm going to take half there at 10 ticks. And I've got 30 seconds till the 350 algo, and I'm going to close the whole thing before it hits. I'm not getting smoked. Alright, I'll close it. Alright, I'm at 1885. Just took too long. We can reassert. We got 5 seconds. Here comes the 350 algo. 5 seconds. 5 seconds.
Enigma short on the RTY1.
Kind of uneventful. Okay. Yeah, so I'll go ahead. That's trade number 1. Let's flip the coin. There we go. Trade number 1. Ooh, moonshot just came in here. So, bottom left here, only one trade so far this afternoon. We are 10 minutes to the close. Little moonshot action. I got my finger over the buy. I still believe. Again, look what we just did here on the Mac VU. Okay, so I'm looking to buy. I think we're going to continue on that run up. I think they're going to defend that position. There's that big white line there in the sand here. We come back down here to there. That'll be 20 ticks. Okay, I'll take a little shot right here at it. Oh, I'm only 2 contracts. I forgot I'm not on 4 anymore. Dadgummit. Size appropriately. Make sure you got your right ATM set, folks. All right, there we go. Yikes, cross. I'm hearing buyers, but they're not clackety clacking. All right, double cross at the top of the zone. I'll get my 2K in 2 trades. It's too slow. We are at lucky 7s now, 3:53, so 7 minutes to the close. 2 trades in. That's winner, winner. I got a chicken dinner. Don't know I'm getting a bonus here. It's going to have to be absolutely perfect, but I've got my proper sizing now, so I could have gotten a little more out of that had I properly sized. Probably could have had 2,500 if I was properly sized, so don't, don't make my mistake. Make sure you've got your proper ATM set for your account size. Here comes king timing. Let's see if anything shows up here. Remember, we're flat in the middle of the golden ropes, right? So, I mean, we may just settle here. We may not make some crazy run. And NQ is more prone to doing those kind of things. So we have to remember that when I'm trading on RTY, I'm not in the usual routine of the crazy NASDAQ, you know what I'm saying? 2K is good. Yeah, for a wacky Wednesday, not too bad. It's, in the grinder day, difficult type of day, and coming away with 2K. It's not too shabby. Not going to complain. We got 5 minutes left. Well, 6 minutes actually. 6 minutes to the close. Let's see what happens. I got my finger over the buy. If she wants to take a run, I'll jump in. I'm going to change my stop though to a 25. So I've got a naked order 25. So I'll close out myself on exits on whatever play I'm going to get into here, because I'm expecting a run. If we're going to run, I'm going to hold to the close. Like, remember, we have this zone up here that we might just run straight up to, which would be the golden rope above us here in buyers. I'll go ahead and tag it. All right, got a 25 tick risk here, and we'll see if she's going to go across. Remember, up top we've got that cave. Let me show you guys. Remember, top left, what I kept expecting. I wanted to see this run all the way through that cave and just really just annihilate everybody who tried to get long up there as well, or did get short, and then just blow it up there, and then take all the liquidity that's right above that very obvious pivot up top. We could just go and blow that top here in the last 5 minutes. If it was in queue, it'd be more likely. You know, that's the way in queue works and operates. RTY is a little less wild. I'm doing air quotes here. Wild, if you know what I mean.
Upper bands touch RTY on the
But
30.
same plan as we had before. Remember, gold. We got the gold line right there. That's our double cross double move from before that we really wanted to hit, but just bad timing because of the 350 algo. So we could also pull some there if we needed to. I like to hear that kind of crackling. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more, put more risk on the table. Up 2K on the day. Worst case scenario, I close out 1K on the day. I'm happy to do it. Maybe a 4K if that ends up smoking. We just, boom, roll, cool. Or if not, all right, 1K day, no biggie. Four minutes, actually 3 minutes to the close. Get those buyers out of here. Two and a half minutes to the close. If we get that end of day short squeeze here. 15 seconds to 2 minutes. Okay, there's a 2 minute sliver just showed up. 2 minutes to the close. I'm hearing sell, sell, sell. There's 3 sets of selling volume. I hope that gets sucked up and make a run. Absorb it. Now run. Come on. Ooh, that's a lot of selling. 1,000 to sell. Hopefully that's all of them. 1,000 to sell and it didn't move. That is a level 18 blue. A lot of sell hard. Okay, finish. Come on, guys. Finish off that sell. Be done with that. Pop up here for me now. Double blue cross. I added. I'm giving it a shot.
Upper bands touch RTY on the 35.
Another one. Pick me up. Pick me up. Now run it up. Run it up. Come on, run it up for me. That is a lot of steady selling. Yikes. Wow, that was a lot of selling. All right, now pick it up. Run it. Run it. There's king timing. Come on, run it up now. They tried to sell it off. They're done. Now they're done. That was fun, but now you're done. Now give me a run. I feel like if this was in queue, it would. I think I keep treating this like it's in queue. Oh, come on, baby. All right, well, there is the closing bell. I'll work this out here. Thanks for hanging out. Don't forget, back to school offer. Plus, do it by Friday, and it's 3 sessions with me. On top of all the other good stuff and the payment plan there on the website. Thanks for hanging out. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbot, Mod Squad, Curtis G, and Eddie B. I am sitting out of the big H-Town. Don't forget, come back tomorrow morning, because we got a really cool level sitting there for Thursday. See ya. Art team. Make sure and show them how it's done. Just for fun.
The old adage where, you know, the individual investor doesn't have a chance because the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, you know, more money and better opportunity. I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use, they have better front-end technology.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.
Forex is littered with crooks, black hat guys, all this kind of shifty characters and companies trying to extract money from your pocket and stick it into theirs. And one of the things that they do is operate these Forex signals.
Delta vibrating. Long, look for long. Harmonic pattern. Pick up. Down.